Namaste, myself JVN Professor KK Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women University. My subject is Animal Physiology and Endocrinology and the topic is Conduction System. An inherent and rhythmical electrical activity is the reason for the heart lifelong beat. The source of this electrical activity is a network of specialized cardiac muscle fibers called autorhythmic fibers. Because they are self-excitable. Autorhythmic fibers repeatedly generate action potential that trigger the heart contraction. They continue to stimulate a heart to beat even after it is removed from the body. During embryonic development, only about 1% of the cardiac muscle fibers become autorhythmic fibers. These relatively rare fibers have two important functions. दो फंक्शन हैं इनके. फर्स्ट, they act as a pacemaker. Pacemakers mean setting the rhythm of electrical excitation that causes contraction of the heart. Second, they form the cardiac conduction system, a network of specialized cardiac muscle fibers that provide a path for each cycle of the cardiac excitation to progress through the heart. The conduction system, you can see in the diagram, ensure that cardiac chamber becomes stimulated to contract in a coordinated manner, which make the heart an effective pump. The cardiac action potential propagates through the conduction system in the following sequence. First, cardiac excitation normally begin in the SA node. Here in the SA node, located in the right atrial wall, just inferior and lateral to the opening of superior vena cava. SA node cell do not have a stable resting potential, rather they repeatedly depolarize to threshold spontaneously. The spontaneous depolarization is a pacemaker potential. When the pacemaker potential reaches the threshold, it triggers an action potential. Each action potential from the SA node propagates throughout both atria via gap junction in the intercalated disc of atrial muscle fibers. Following the action potential, the two atria contract at the same time. कि दोनों एट्रिया हैं वो सेम टाइम पर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होते हैं. सेकेंड, बाई conducting along atrial muscle fiber, the action potential reaches the atrioventricular node. You can say AV node located in the interatrial septum. You can see clearly into the diagram, just anterior to the opening of coronary sinus. At the AV node, the action potential slow considerably as a result of various differences in the cell structure in the AV node. This delay provide time for the atria to empty their blood into the ventricle. From the AV node, the action potential enter the AV bundle. From AV node से SA node to AV node to AV bundle, also known as bundle of His. This bundle is the only site where action potential can conduct from atria to the ventricle. After propagating along the AV bundle, the action potential enters both the right and left bundle branches. The bundle branches extend through the interventricular septum toward the apex of the heart. Finally, the large diameter Purkinje fiber rapidly conduct the action potential beginning at the apex of the heart upward to the remainder of ventricular myocardium. Then the ventricle contract, pushing the blood upward toward the semilunar wall. On their own, autorhythmic fiber in SA node would initiate an action potential about 0.6 second or 100 times per minute. Thus, the SA node set the rhythm for contraction of the heart. It is the real, a natural pacemaker. This rate is faster than that of any other autorhythmic fibers because action potential from the SA node spread through the conduction system and stimulate other areas before the other areas are able to generate an action potential at their own slower rate. The SA node act as a natural pacemaker of the heart. Nerve impulse from the autonomic nervous system and blood-borne hormones modify the timing and strength of each heartbeat, but they do not establish the fundamental rhythm. In a person at rest, for example, acetylcholine released by parasympathetic division of ANS slow SA node pacing to about 0.8 second or 75 action potential per minute. This is all about the conduction system of the heart. The session is powered by digital version 2 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you very much.